So now, here we have a PNP bipolar junction transistor current source. It's a PNP bipolar junction transistor, 2N3906. We got the collector at the bottom, base in the middle, where the 10K resistor comes, and then the emitter on top, where the 220 ohm resistor goes to the positive power supply. So whatever voltage we set at the trim pot will be sent to the emitter, but it'll be 0.6 volts higher, although 5 volts is the maximum that we can get. So there's 5 volts on both sides. There's no current flow, both sides of the current limiting resistor. We lower this by about 0.6 volts, we start getting a voltage difference, and there's a lower voltage across the 220 ohm resistor, so more current flows right there, and the LED gets brighter. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna get down to about 0.6 volts at the emitter because of the drop. But there you can see we got enough voltage to get the LED relatively bright, a voltage difference. So now we come to the schematic diagram for the PNP bipolar junction transistor adjustable current source right there. So we got emitter base collector. I'm using the 2N3906, but we have a trim pot, and usually we got a positive supply voltage in relationship to ground, but sometimes you have a negative voltage in relationship to ground. But in any case, this side's more positive, that side's more negative. Be aware of that. But we can set whatever voltage we want with the trim pot there. And we have this resistor because we don't want current to flow that direction too much right there. We want to make sure the current flows through the LED. But in any case, we'll set a voltage at the base with the trim pot there. It'll go through the resistor. Don't worry about that. So in any case, this will be about 0.6 volts higher with the limit of 5 volts, of course. So in any case, as we lower the voltage here, we have a bigger voltage difference because the voltage gets lower there. The voltage across the resistor sets the current, but it also goes through the transistor and the LED. So the LED gets brighter